Hello, this is Larson Chinese Masterclass. Welcome to lesson 6 of this lesson. In the lesson 5 of our HSK1 discussion, we discussed about how to ask and say your age in Chinese language using ji and duo. And in other episodes, we also discussed how to use this interrogative pronoun ji and also talk about how to use the modal particle lo. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to also use the modal verb huì, meaning can, and also discuss about the adverb of degree hěn, meaning very, and finally discuss about the interrogative pronoun zěnme, meaning how. All these are the words we use every day. So stay tuned to get a full discussion. Good, let's quickly take them one by one. The first one we're going to discuss today is the modal verb huì. The common use of huì is usually can or be able to. It literally means in English can or be able to. But specifically, it is used for learned knowledge, mostly used for actions you acquired by yourself or skills you acquired by yourself. Not necessarily inborn, it's not necessarily something that you were born with. And the negative form is usually 不会. 不会. That is, we usually use 不, we usually add 不 at the back of 会, meaning 不会, and the 不 there literally means not or don't. So 不会 in English, cannot. That is the negative form. So can, cannot. 会, 不会. Can, cannot. 会, 不会. And the question word with 会 is usually we put ma at the end of huì to form a question. For example, in English language, we can use can to ask a question. Can you? Can you? 你会吗? I can. I can. 我会. 我会. Now, let's discuss this in a broad form. For example, 你会说汉语吗? 你会说汉语吗? Can you speak Chinese? 会, 你会 can 说 to speak 汉语吗? Can you speak Chinese? Then, if I can speak Chinese, I'll simply respond to 我会说汉语. 我会说汉语. But what if I can't? I'll simply add 不会. 我不会说汉语. 我不会说汉语. Let's see another example. 你会写汉字吗? 你会写汉字吗? Can you write Chinese? 写 means to write. Can you 写 to write? 汉字 means the Chinese character. 你会写汉字吗? And you observe the question word. Then, if I can, I will simply respond with 我会写汉字. 我会 I can 写 to write 汉字. But if I can't, I will simply respond 我不会写汉字. So the second one for today is the adverb of degree. As we all may know, an adverb of degree specifies the degree to which an adjective or adverb applies. And this adverb of degree, the negative form is usually subject plus bu plus adjective. Subject plus bu plus adjective. For example, let's use this popular one. 我很好. 我很好. I'm very good. But if I'm not good, I'll simply say 我不好. 我不好. That is adding bu to adjective. Subject plus bu plus adjective. 我不好. 我很好. I'm very good. 我不好. Another example. 他的汉语很好. 他的汉语很好. His Chinese is very good. 他的汉语很好. What if it's not good? You say 他的汉语不好. 他的 his 汉语 Chinese 不好 not good. 中国菜很好吃. 中国 Chinese 菜 dish 很好吃 very delicious. 好吃 means delicious. But if you want to say Chinese dish is not delicious, we simply say 中国菜不好吃。中国菜不好吃。Chinese dish is not delicious. 你会做中国菜吗？你会做中国菜吗？ Can you cook Chinese dish or Chinese food? 你会做 Can you cook 中国菜 Chinese dish? 我不会做中国菜。我不会做中国菜。I cannot cook Chinese dish or I cannot cook Chinese food. Let's see the last one for today, which is the interrogative pronoun 怎么。怎么 literally means how. We use 怎么 to ask question about how. So it is used before a verb to ask the manner of action. Let's see example. 这个汉字怎么读？这个汉字怎么读？ How do you read this character? 这个 means this. 这个 this. 汉字 means character. 怎么读 How to read. 读 means to read. 这个汉字怎么读 Next question. 你的汉语名字怎么写？你的汉语名字怎么写 Your Chinese name. 你的汉语 Your Chinese 名字 means name. 怎么写 How to write. Or when you go to the market, you want to buy something and you want to ask the seller, How do you sell this? How do you sell this? You simply say 这个怎么卖？这个怎么卖 How do you sell this? Good. Now let's return to the lesson 6 of our textbook and then read the final chapter, the point 3. So hoping you were there, please try to see if you can understand the discussion. So the first one we have is 你会写汉字吗？你会写汉字吗？我会写，我会写。这个字怎么写？这个字怎么写？对不起，对不起。这个字我会读，不会写。对不起，这个字我会读，不会写。Now let's explain. The first question was 你会写汉字吗？你会写汉字吗 Can you write Chinese character? 写 means to write. 你会 Can you 写汉字吗 Can you write Chinese character? And the response is 我会写，我会写 I can write, I can write. And it continues. 这个字 this character 这个字怎么写？这个字怎么写 How to write this character? How do you write this character? Then response is 对不起 sorry 对不起 sorry 这个字我会读 This character I can do what I can read 不会写 cannot write 对不起 sorry 这个字我会读不会写 Sorry this character I can read but cannot write. Good. Today we'll be rounding up here. Today we'll be able to learn how to use the modal verb 会 and also discuss, we'll be able to learn how to also use the adverb of degree 很 and also have been able to learn how to also use the interrogative pronoun 怎么 which is how. We've also been able to see their negative usage using bu at the back of each word to talk about the negative ways to use them. So in our next video, we will be discussing about the stroke writing of Chinese language. We're going to talk more of the stroke writing. That is on that same lesson 6. That will be our final discussion on lesson 6. So if you really enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button, turn on your notification bell for the updates. So see you next time in our next video course. Goodbye. 再见。